Hey everyone, Nicholas here from Crippled Tech, and what you're listening to right now is me narrating the video after I've edited. This is the first time I'm trying this kind of format, so leave some feedback down in the comment section down below of the video so that I can improve upon of your feedback. And what you're watching right now is me setting up my PC setup at my new studio, and I'm disassembling the PC. Well, I'm removing the side panel so that I can reinstall the graphics card into the PC, because when transporting a PC you don't want a graphics card installed because it's heavy and it might damage your components inside during transit when you're transporting your PC. You don't want any heavy components installed inside that can potentially come loose and go banging around inside the case. That is a catastrophe. So I have reinstalled the PC and I'm just using my phone's flashlight to help me plug in the RGB cable for the graphics card into the motherboard. And I'm plugging in the PCIe power into the graphics card. Vacuuming the PC. By the way, the narration audio that you're listening to right now is from the new mic that you will see later. It is the Shure SM7B, connected to an Elgato Wave XLR. Yes, this is an XLR only mic, which means it is only analog, and I need a device to convert it into digital, which is the Elgato Wave XLR, into digital format so that the computer can receive the audio. Screwing back the front, not the front, side panel. And now you see me unboxing the new IKEA, I forgot what it is, but it's a monitor stand. It is a quite big of a monitor stand. It takes up most of the desk space, and I can't even use the drawer. Unboxing the monitor right now. I'm orienting the monitor this way so that I can plug in the power and DisplayPort cables easily, and then I'll rotate it later after I plugged in the cables. And yes, the cable management of the setup is still in progress. The mic stand clamp, I had to remove screws and the protective stuff just to be able to make it fit the table. It's too thick, so yeah, I had to remove some screws and the protective stuff. What a bummer. Yeah, this is a bit of an oversight from me. The table is too thick for the mic stand clamp to clamp onto the table, so I have to remove the protective stuff. So it's just the screw that's holding on to the table that's clamping the mic stand. And here I unbox the mic that I'm using to record my audio right now, the Shure SM7B. I just installed it onto the stand and adjusting the position. You see later the mic falls off, not onto the ground. The mic is very heavy, so it's a bit hard to change the position, adjust the position of the stand. And here I unboxed the Elgato Wave XLR to plug in the microphone to the device, and then the device plugs into the computer, the PC. So basically this mic is analog only, and the Wave XLR converts the analog signal from the mic into digital and sends that digital audio signal into the PC so that it can recognize the audio signal. And now here I'm plugging in the keyboard. And routing the mouse cable. Pushing in a chair that I'm gonna sit at. In fact, I'm sitting on the chair right now. Just some rough cable management. Access cables all to the back of the PC. Even though I still see the cable mesh right in front of me. Hey everyone, Nicholas here, and welcome back to Crippled Tech. And as you can see, I am in a new place, and yes, I have moved again. This is my new studio, so this is my new setup arrangement and my new studio. And from now on, I'll be streaming, editing, and doing whatever PC heavy-duty tasks on this setup right here. As I have before, it's just in this new studio. And on the top left corner of the screen, you can see I have a shelf for my figurines, and you have already seen it in the montage that I have one Tokito Muchu Miss Hashira figure from Demon Slayer, and as I collect more figures, they will be displayed on the shelf right there. And the PC is the same that I've built, Ryzen 7 5800X and 3070 Ti graphics card. The same display. I have a new IKEA monitor stand, which is quite big honestly, and I've upgraded my mic. It is a Shure SM7B XLR microphone. I have it connected to a Elgato Wave XLR to convert it to USB, so that the computer can accept my XLR mic. And I'm also using the Bose SoundTouch, whatever, I don't know the model name, the Bose SoundTouch something. This speaker right here as my main PC speaker right now. And yeah, this is pretty much an update to my new studio, and you see new props, new figurines and stuff pop up as I collect more of them, and I'll be streaming from here to Twitch of my gameplay if I feel like it when I have the time. So if you want to catch one of my live streams on Twitch, the link is in the description down below. Thank you very much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, leave it a like and subscribe for more tech content coming right at you very soon. And I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.